You can order the windshield wipers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Lift the wiper blade arm until it's locked in the upper position. To remove the blade, press down on each side of the locking flap and lift it. Then, slide the blade down to remove it. To avoid any accidents, place the arm delicately onto the windshield. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Place a folded piece of paper towel on the windshield to protect it. You can order the windshield wipers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blade. Install the adapter suited to your assembly if it is not already in place on the blade. To put the new one in place, slide the blade into place, then fold down the locking flap. Place the arm back down gently. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.